Hi, my name is Josh Woody. I'm here with Firstech. We're going to go through and test the DAS2 after doing all the adjustment on the settings. First thing after you're done doing the settings, what you'll want to do is go ahead and hit lock on your remote. Once you hit lock, remember to wait 30 seconds before you go to test the sensor. Otherwise it'll seem like it's not working. So what we're going to do here today, I've already adjusted my sensor. We're going to make impact to the vehicle, like if something was to break the window or hit the car or anything where you want the alarm to go off. Here, as you notice that the alarm is going off, your two-way remote will alert you as well. As you see, it'll roll the bottom as the shock sensor and tell you what sensor is going off. And stage 2 will be your instant trigger. That means when you should probably go out and check the vehicle. It's not a false alarm. So we're going to do the glass break sensor. We've already adjusted it to where we think that is okay. When you want to go through your testing, unfortunately you don't want to really break a customer's window. So what we did today is we actually put screws in a mason jar. And what you do is you just shake it like if something was breaking a glass. And your alarm will go off. So on your two-way remote, as you notice in the video, it said theft. And that'll let you know that your glass break was going off. You should go check your vehicle as well.